Look at this link. It says localhost or has a file path. This means only you can see this website. If you send this link to a friend or a recruiter, it won't work for them. To share your website, you need to host it. Hosting means moves your website from your computer to the internet. This gives you a live URL that works on any phone or laptop in the world. There are many places to host. For big servers, people use AWS. For WordPress, they use Hostinger. But for front-end websites like HTML, CSS or React code, Vercel is best. It is free and gives you that shareable link instantly. To start, you need your code on GitHub. If you don't know how to upload code, pause this video. I made a tutorial on that in my last video. Watch that first. Okay, let's get that link. Go to vercel.com and click sign up. Choose continue with GitHub. Once you are in, click add new project. Find your website in the list and click import. Wait, before you deploy, just listen carefully. If your project uses env file like for API keys or database passwords, you must add them here. Vercel cannot see your local env file for security reasons. Expand environment variables, paste your key and value and click add. If you don't have any API keys, just ignore that part. Now click the deploy button and wait for a second and done. Your website is live. Click the picture to open your site. Look at the address bar. This is your live link. You can now copy this and paste it into your resume or send it to your friends. Everyone can see it now. One last tip for React users. If your site breaks when you refresh, create a file named vercel.json. Paste the code from the video description inside it to fix the error. Now you have a professional link for your portfolio. What do you want to learn next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.